Ngayon, itatry naman natin itong remaining 2 flavors na in-order natin. The latte cookies and white and dark chocolate cookies. Yung daming pagkakalala. Ang difference lang dito is hindi natin siya i-microwave. Kasi yung first 2 flavors, nag-microwave tayo, iniinit natin siya. So this one, we're going to eat this as it is. So, hindi natin siya initin and all. This is the white and dark chocolate. Eat this. Masarap pa rin pala kahit hindi siya naka-microwave. Look. Then you guys. This one is the white chocolate. Masarap siya. This is the dark chocolate. Yummy! Next one is the latte cookies. So, ito yung parang coffee series nila. So big. Look. You can taste the coffee. Nasa chocolate. Harap. Hindi ko alam kung mas gusto ko siya nang hindi siya naka-microwave or naka-microwave siya. But this one, these two, sobrang sarap niya. As in, mas gusto ko pa atang hindi sila naka-microwave.